Hello, my name is George Schatz. I'm at Northwestern University in Evanston, Illinois. I want to tell you about Symposium C6 in the International Materials Research Congress in 2026. The title of the symposium is Emerging Horizons in Nanoscience and Nanotechnology, Innovations in Synthesis, Properties, Theoretical Advances, and Future Challenges. As part of this, there is a tutorial course entitled Plasmonic Nanomaterials, Properties, Applications, and Bottom-up Synthesis that I will be giving in collaboration with 𝐮𝐬𝐢𝐵, who's at the CIC Bio-Magune in Donostia, San Sebastian, Spain. This will be held on Monday, August 17th, 2026. The topics include introduction to plasmonic nanomaterials and their properties, applications of plasmonic nanomaterials to topics like sensing and catalysis, bottom-up colloidal synthesis, including seed-mediated growth and synthesis of chiral nanoparticles, and bottom-up synthesis in unusual conditions, including in situ growth. I look forward to seeing you all at the tutorial.